So we're wrapping up the 2026 ASTRA Marketplace Academy. Been here for almost a week now. I think this is my 15th ASTRA or so we've seen a lot of different locations, and we always love coming to this show. So just a few thoughts as we're wrapping up ASTRA here, the 2026 ASTRA Marketplace Academy in Milwaukee. First time we've ever had ASTRA in Milwaukee. It's been a great venue, really cool city. If you haven't been to Milwaukee, I can highly recommend it. A lot of beautiful architecture right here on the lake. We've had a lot of great venues for our different events. The Discovery Center is really cool for kids and families and kids of all ages. This is my 15th or so ASTRA, I think, so seen a lot of locations, but this definitely ranks up there with one of the top. The energy here has been really great this week. There's a lot of folks, of course, talking about squishy things and Nido, which is a huge trend in our industry right now, but a lot of search for innovation, and everyone's always looking for what's new, what's next. And the coolest thing about ASTRA is just how everyone's trying to add value to each other. The retailers, the reps, the manufacturers, really trying to work together and collaborate, having discussions about things like how do we maximize and use the traffic we're getting from Nido and other squishy trends. How do we figure out what's next? How do we plug in with kids and families and really turn this opportunity into a way to talk more about creative play and how to bring play into their lives every day. I think one of the encouraging trends here that we see is analog still rules. In a world of digital, in a world of where so many kids and adults spend a lot of time on screens, there's still a real hunger and need for analog. And so as we talk about trends here, whether it's hacky sacks or Nido, the cool part about that is they're really analog trends. They're things that kids are wanting to touch and feel and play with. So you see a lot of great interactive toys like that here. Really cool thing we saw from our friends over at Tree Town Toys is an old technology where you make this little, almost like a flip book in a rotary fashion where you do little stop motion drawings. Just one of the oldest technologies, but made in a really fun, new way. So making classic things new again and keeping that analog play value is so important for kids as they develop. And I would say this may be the biggest gathering of people outside of educators who really care about kids and play and helping kids stay kids and enjoy childhood and find creative ways to interact with the world. So one of the things that we've really seen that's encouraging here is the number of other manufacturers that want to work with us. They're kind of surprised when we want to come shoot a video in their booth, but we just want to share what's cool. We want to share with our fans and vice versa. They can share with their fans about the creative, playful products they see. So it's not just about self-promotion and talking about our product. It's really about helping our fans and our friends and our families see what's cool out there in the world of play. So after the show, the real work begins, all the follow-up, all the video editing, all the order writing, all the dotting our I's and crossing our T's, and then rest up and get ready for the rest of the summer, ready for the Q3 and Q4, which is such a busy time in our industry, and start thinking about what is new and exciting for ASTRA 2027 in Pittsburgh. So thanks for joining us. Thanks for being here along on our journey. And if you have any questions about ASTRA, please reach out, and we'd love to have you join the ASTRA family.